Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at multiplying fractions with whole numbers. Now when we multiply fractions we usually have something like 2/3 multiplied by 5/8, for example, and what we do is we multiply the numerators to give us 10 and we multiply the denominators to give us 24. Now when we do this, this is what we normally do when we multiply fractions, yeah? And what we can do, we can simplify this further. First of all, make this 5/12. All we did is divide by 2 here. So this is an example of how we would normally multiply fractions. However, what if we get a question where we have something like 3 times 2/3? What do we do then? Because 3 is not a fraction. So the first thing that we need to do in this type of question is convert the 3 into a fraction. So we know if we look over here, if we have 5, we can rewrite 5 as 5/1. That's the fraction version of 5. Yeah, if we have 6, we can rewrite that as 6/1. Yeah, so back to the question, we can rewrite the 3 as 3/1. So we do the same process again as we did over here, and we just multiply the numerators to get 6 and then multiply the denominators to get 3. Now as we can see here, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Yeah, so we just get this number because we can do 6 divided by 3. Now here, this is, I'll just circle the answer here. So again, we've changed 3 into a fraction, 3/1, and then we've multiplied through as we normally would. And here we've got 6/3. Now imagine this, if you're confused on this part here, let's imagine it written as 6 divided by 3. And that's how we got 2. Yeah? If it was 3/6, this would be written as a half, because we would divide both top and bottom by 3. So just to recap, if we're working with whole numbers, we just need to rewrite it as a fraction. So if we do another example, let's do 7 times 5/6. All we would do here, so step 1, change the whole number into a fraction, 7/1, and multiply it by 5/6. Now if we multiply the numerators, we get 35, and if we do multiply the denominators, we get 6. Now if we look at this fraction here, we can change it into a mixed number. Because it's top heavy, the numerator is larger than the denominator. So what we would do here is rewrite 35/6 as 35 divided by 6. And this would give us an answer of 5 remainder 5. And that is because if we do 6 times 5, we get 30. And then we've got 5 left over. So we can rewrite 35/6 as 5 and 5/6. Yeah? So again, we've just changed the whole number into a fraction, and we've done the same process as we've done in the previous questions. So the only difference is here we've simplified, and we've rewritten it to get 2. Here we've changed it into a mixed number. So whichever stage, so the last stage you come to, if it needs to be simplified, you simplify. If it needs to be turned into a mixed number, you change it into a mixed number. Yeah? Thank you very much for watching the video.